We at Amber Student thrive on the idea that you deserve the best. Do you wish to experience student life in Leicester like never before? So, presenting the Zip. The property features a variety of en-suites and one-bedroom apartments with chic furnishing, private bathrooms, and also noticeably amazing ventilation. But that's not all. The Zip has an amazing Wi-Fi connection available throughout the property, helping you game or binge watch your favorite series without any interruption. Catch up with your friends in the stunning communal space and memories for life. The University of Leicester and the city center are only a 5-minute drive away from the property, helping you commute with ease. With everything ranging from the best restaurants and pubs to health and fitness centers available like your doorstep, you won't need to worry about your physique or social life. With a professionally managed stay and no extra bills to worry about, the Zip is one of the ideal places for a student to be. Your dream stay is just a click away. Visit amberstudent.com to book your place today.